Looking for salon-worthy blowouts? Try the one-step hairdryer and volumizer to dry and add body. The unique oval design is perfect for extra lift at the roots and smooth curled ends in up to half the time. One-step styling and gorgeous results. Style confidently.
HSI Professional Glider works best to straighten even the frizziest, coarsest hair with minimal effort in the quickest possible time. It features microsensors with high-quality ceramic plates that create a shinier, silkier finish in less time, along with preventing future hair damage. This ceramic plates generate infrared heat which treats the hair from inside and locks in the moisture for great health of the hair. Plus, these plates continuously adjust themselves to give you the full flexibility while doing your hair. This hair straightener allows adjustable temperature settings from 140 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to give you greater control to achieve a perfectly sleek and smooth look for all hair types. The glider comes with worldwide dual voltage compatibility. Makes sure so you can take it with you on your next vacation. Plus you will also get a bonus travel size argan oil leave-in